Hello friends, this is Soumya for Technique and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of Micromax Unite 2. Unite 2 is the first phone from Micromax which runs on Android KitKat and it competes with Motorola Moto E, which was a huge success recently, and Unite 2 is priced at rupees 6999. So let's get started with the unboxing of Unite 2. So as you can see, the box itself has all the Indian regional languages written over it, and this phone supports 20 regional language, the first of its kind among the smartphones in India. So it's a very user friendly phone, as everyone can switch to their native language accordingly. So before the unboxing, let's go through the quick specification of the Micromax Unite 2. So the specification is listed at the back of the box, and as you can see, the colors are also given here. It's available in green, red, white and black. So let's go through the specification of Micromax Unite 2. The Unite 2 comes with a 4.7-inch IPS LCD display with WVGA resolution, which is 800 by 480, and it is powered by quad-core processor which clocks at 1.3 GHz, and it has got a 1 GB of RAM and 4 GB of internal memory, and it has also got 2000 mAh battery. And on the imaging front, it has got 5 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel secondary camera. So that's all with the specification. Let's go ahead with the unboxing of Unite 2, and let's see what's inside the box. So let's open the box. Okay, we have opened it. We'll turn it and we'll see what's inside. This is the Micromax Unite 2. We have our phone here. So we'll keep the device aside for a meanwhile. Let's check out what else is inside the box first. So it has got the battery with it, and some documents which are needed, like the user guide and warranty card, etc. All the necessary documents. We'll keep the documents aside, and let's check what's inside this box. Okay, first we have got the USB cable. Let's open it. So this is the USB cable, the normal one. Let's keep it aside. Then the regular charger. Regular charger. Then we have the earphone. Let's open and see the earphone. It's a usual earphone. It's not of that great quality. Okay, let's keep it aside. So we have our Micromax Unite 2 with us. So this is the Unite 2. On the design aspect, we have the power button here and the volume keys, and on the top we have the USB slot and the headphone jack. So we'll insert the battery and we'll boot the phone. So let's insert the battery and we'll boot the phone. And Unite 2 supports dual SIM. Here is the first SIM slot, the second SIM slot, and here we have the micro SD card slot. So we have inserted the battery. Let's has got a very good display, and here we have the settings, about phone, Android version 4.4.2 KitKat. So that's all with the unboxing of Micromax Unite 2. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And finally, thanks for watching this video.